Wow, that's a stunning unit of Toyota Harrier. Hey bro,
Yeah,
your
man.
car is beautiful.
Thank you, man.
Can we do a review?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, let's go. Thank you. Good morning with this beautiful unit of Toyota Harrier 2020 model. This latest unit or the latest version of the Toyota Harrier comes with a more sharp design all through its body language and এই গাড়িটা আরেকটু বাল্কি মনে হয় প্রিভিয়াস জেনারেশনের থেকে। So let's slide into the interior of the Toyota Harrier 2020 and we have with us Sadman Bhai. So Sadman Bhai, cholen. It's a premium vehicle, so we are getting entry. এখানে panoramic sunroof আছে and গাড়িটার ব্যাক সাইডের গ্লাসেসগুলো a bit tinted. So কিছুটা প্রাইভেসি পাওয়া যায় অ্যান্ড এখানে রিয়ারে এসি ভেন্টস দেখা যাচ্ছে। আমরা যদি দেখি এখানে বেশ ভালো একটা ট্রিম অ্যান্ড হেয়ার ইজ দি লেদার, ফুললি লেদার। Speakers from JBL most probably.
Yes, these are JBL speakers.
We're getting armrest with two cup holders. Also
Light.
LED room light. That's
Yes.
cool.
It's a very, like, how do we say this? It's a very comfortable car.
Very comfortable.
It's very good for long drives.
Cool. তবে হ্যারিয়ারের একটা জিনিস সেটা হচ্ছে কি দিস বাল্কি সিটস, এই সিটগুলোর জন্য ফ্রন্ট সাইডের ভিউটা কিছুটা আমার মনে হয় হ্যাম্পার হয়।
It's true.
আর প্রিভিয়াস জেনারেশনের হ্যারিয়ারের সাথে তুলনা করলে ভিতরে a bit short.
If we want to compare it to the previous generations, we lose the sunroof for a panoramic moonroof. We used to be able to open this entire thing, but now it's just glass. I think we should like clear this out, right? Let's clear this out. Oh, the car is off.
Oh, আমরা তাহলে ড্রাইভার সিটে বসে দেন।
Yeah,
You can
sure.
try that.
You can take the driver's seat. Why not?
Thank you. So that's the driver's seat for the Toyota Harrier 2020. Comes with leather lapped steering and also functions over here like windows. Let's just show them out. Harrier একটা জিনিস যেটা খুব ভালো লাগছে সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে এই নবটা খুবই লাইক দেখা যায় টাইপ। আর আমরা যদি এখানে আসি, so this is the passenger window control off. And here are some few more functions like unlock, lock, and new generation Toyota mirror controlling system is included.
Is not inserted.
This steering has a lot more functions, such as we can control the entire car from just the steering. The driver has full control, and we can adjust our steering likewise.
Very cool.
Also, this car has a special feature where if we go down after drive, it can shift into manual.
So manually gear shift করা যাচ্ছে গাড়িটাতে। Cool. Also 360 camera is over here, which will be shown hope so in the drive. Couple cup holders, seat heaters.
Yes, these are seat heaters. Very comfortable. Extra space for whenever we need anything. We have a lot of space.
Cool.
We also
just
have
to
a
the glove
very
box.
nice glove box. It's very spacious. We can keep our essentials here.
Great.
And one more thing about Harrier's front seats, they are kind of remote control.
Electric.
Electric, exactly.
Electric.
Back and forth, tilt back, tilt front. It's very easy
That's
compared
cool.
to the hassle of the previous generations.
That's cool. Okay.
So
The interior is really cool, and we can also see heads-up display over there.
yes.
Great. And if we move on, here are probably LEDs. Yeah, those are LEDs.
Basics. These are a very standard issue. Now, if you could turn on the car, I wanted to show you one more thing.
Why not?
The roof. You can first of all control it. That's pretty obvious. I have it open, and we can change it from blurred to clear.
Wow.
This is a very good feature. We can keep it open if we just want light, but not the direct sunlight. And if we turn it off, and we can turn it on and have direct sunlight on us.
Very cool feature.
ETC card
And it's
is
very
not
easy to close. We just
inserted.
press it, it closes automatically. It's not like we have to hold it or pull it. It's very convenient.
Very convenient. Exactly. We also have
One
a
more
dash
thing,
cam.
One more thing.
Ooh.
This is the rear of the car. This car is very good if someone wants to learn how to drive because of all the safety features it has.
Yes.
We can turn this on, we can turn this off. We have a dash cam for obvious reasons. This is Bangladesh, come on. It's a very convenient car. That's all I can say.
Cool. So আমরা যদি একটু গাড়িটার ফ্রন্ট ফেসিয়াতে আরেকটু ইন ডেপথ আসি, so we can see the missing Toyota Harrier iconic logo, but the sharp design of the new generation headlights comes with LED projection, and there are parking sensors over here, over there, double tow hook and fog light at the bottom, and getting some Modelista branding over here. This latest version of Toyota Harrier comes with a very sleeky and sharp design all through its body language. A bit comes with a 19-inch rim from Toyota, which is same as the old generation. It's a one-strip LED backlights, and আমরা যদি স্পয়লারে যাই, স্পয়লারে we can look, there is also a brake light included. We can see Harrier badge. So automatic trunk. So there is huge space beneath the trunk, and also for daily use we get some tonneau cover too, and there are some LED over the trunk to help you guide, and JBL subwoofer. That's cool. And if you have lots of things with your hand, then you don't have to just carry it with you. It's completely automatic. One thing to complain about the Toyota Harrier, the turning lights, those are beneath very low, so এত নিচে হওয়ার কারণে এটা আসলেই অনেক ক্ষেত্রে disturbing, and fake exhaust tips.
স্পোর্ট মোডে দিলাম।
হ্যাঁ, নোটিস করলাম। একবার আমার লেসার সাথে একসাথে একটা সাউন্ড আছে, আপনাকে সাউন্ড পাবেন সুন্দর একটা। কানে শান্তি লাগে,
একটা সমস্যা আওয়াজ না, সেই লাগে।